Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you all are having a wonderful day. Today we're going to make this out of this. We are using Romantic Serenade from Oohlala Vintage Treasures, and this is what we made. So we made that a pocket. We have some tickets from the kit. And this, isn't that cute? And then a tag from the kit. And this is one of the postcards. So let's get that made. So first, we have to cut this out. And I guess I could have already had some of this cut out. So how's everybody doing today? I hope you're having a wonderful start to the week. I need a brother scan and cut. I have a lot of fussy cutting to do. Holly, I'm doing a video. Sorry about that, guys. School starts up in a month, so pretty soon. Holly's going into 8th grade. She's getting so old, making me old. Doesn't take any time at all. And then you just use your knife here and your ruler to get that cut out. These are really cute, and she has them in different sizes, so you have something to play with. I got a new fridge yesterday. If you follow me on social media, you've probably seen it. I'm so excited. It's a nice and big one. All right, so there's that. Just zhuzh it up a little bit, right? Alright. So I liked using this to go around it. And I just spread it out, you know, move it all in one direction so I can put it down on the glue. So Holly's birthday is on Sunday. So for her birthday, I'm taking her on a shopping spree to Forever 21. We're gonna go on Saturday. And I might take her, surprise her, and get a pedicure or a manicure, whichever one she wants. We'll see how the day goes, but she is so excited to go to Forever 21. She's been telling all her friends. So I'm glad that little shopping spree made her happy. And it's a 2-for-1 because it's her birthday present and it's school shopping for clothes. So I'm getting off easy this year. And she already knows what she wants too. And she's been on Forever 21's website looking at their clothes. There. Cute so far. We'll let that dry. I've already cut out items that we can use inside or on it. So let's see what we want to do with this. I was thinking maybe this and this. Maybe get some lace going on down there. And I like this bow. She has a page of bows. Okay, we'll let that dry for a minute. And then the tag, I'm gonna grab some of the sari silk. I have you a little closer today. I hope it's not too close. I can't find the end. So we haven't had any rain. We need it so desperately. I know a lot of people are getting rain. Oh. Open this up a little bit. Oh, we got us a tag. Hope you can see those. And then this, what do we want to do with this? I have a whole bunch of lace sitting next to me. Let's make a bow out of this. There, and then the ticket. Time for a baby wipe. The tickets can be folded up. Let those dry. And let's put some of these crystals along the bottom. So pretty. And then I have some pearls I thought I would put in the flower. There. So what do you think? That came out cute. I think it's dry enough. We can open that up. Put our goodies in there. Let it finish drying all the way. And there you go. Put these back in here. Isn't that cute? There you go. So go on over to Doreen's Etsy shop and check out her digitals. I will leave a link down below, and I will also leave a link to her YouTube videos. She has some awesome videos of things that she repurposes and makes into shabby chic. So I will see you in the next video. Bye, y'all.